Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktails for large groups. First, select recipes that are easy to scale, such as a classic punch or a refreshing sangria. Accurately calculate your ingredient quantities based on the number of guests you expect. Preparing your non-alcoholic mixers and garnishes ahead of time will save you significant effort during the event. This approach ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience for everyone. For efficient serving, utilize large pitchers or beverage dispensers. It's crucial to pre-chill all your ingredients before mixing. This helps maintain the cocktail's ideal temperature longer. Precision in measuring is key to achieving a consistent and delicious flavor profile across all your batches. Don't forget to have plenty of ice ready to keep drinks perfectly cold. Create an inviting self-serve station with clear labels for each cocktail. Offer a diverse selection of fresh garnishes, like citrus slices or herbs, allowing guests to customize their drinks. Ensure you have an ample supply of ice and appropriate glassware readily available for everyone. This thoughtful setup makes serving effortless and truly enhances the overall guest experience. Always remember to provide appealing non-alcoholic options for guests who prefer them or are driving. Encourage responsible consumption throughout your event to ensure everyone has a safe and enjoyable time. For those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Planning ahead makes hosting a large group much more manageable and fun for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.